This is Scarface, the lion who ruled Africa's Masai Mara for over a decade. His face was covered in scars from countless battles, earning him a name the world would never forget. But after years of strength and survival, even the greatest king couldn't escape time. In his final moments, Scarface rested beneath a tree, weak, tired, and at peace. The roar that once echoed across the savannah was finally silent. But legends never truly die. They live on in every story, every photograph, and every heart they touched. Rest in peace, King Scarface.
From the same vibe.